Hello, I'm Jörn, Head of Global Technical Advisory Team and Global Sales Manager for mass timber projects here at EuroTec. EuroTec was founded in 1999 as a leading manufacturer of fastening solutions. Here in our headquarters in Hagen, Germany, we produce up to 700 million screws per year, starting at 4x40 up to 13 by 1400 millimeters. Our goods are shipped in over 50 countries all around the globe. EuroTec is always striving to push the boundaries when it comes to connectors. At EuroTec, we want to be more than a simple supplier. We want to be your reliable partner for your mass timber projects, starting at the early stage of design up to on-site support for the correct use of our connections. Especially in the engineering phase, we really think the CLT Toolbox features will enhance our capacities in a massive way. As a leading manufacturer of connectors for the wooden and mass timber construction, we really embrace news like CLT Toolbox and are proud to be part of this supporting journey. And we think that CLT Toolbox will push the boundaries when it comes to making mass timber simply more accessible. So go for your trial, try our connectors and see how they can enhance your mass timber project in CLT Toolbox.